Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see what are beta functions. So till now we saw what are gamma functions and we solved some problems on gamma functions. So now in this we see what are beta functions. So any equation of the form integration of 0 to 1 x raised to m 1 minus x the whole raised to n minus 1 dx. When we have any equation in this form, then it is called as beta of m comma n, where m and n are greater than 0. So this is one way of representing beta of m and n. Here we have limit 0 to 1. We also have limit 0 to infinity. Then in that case, our equation should be x raised to m minus 1 upon 1 plus x the whole raised to m plus n into dx. Then if we have limit 0 to infinity, then our equation should be in this form. Then it is called as beta of m comma n. Also we have another third type of beta function, that is integration 0 to pi by 2 sine raised to mx cos raised to nx into dx. Then this is nothing but half beta of m plus 1 upon 2 comma n plus 1 upon 2. So these are the basic three representations of beta functions. We can make our equation in this form and we can write these terms. But what is beta of m comma n? So there is a relationship between beta function and gamma function. So what is the relationship between beta and gamma? Beta of m comma n is nothing but gamma of m into gamma of n upon gamma of m plus n. Gamma of m plus n. So this is very famous relationship which we'll use in our beta function. So beta of m comma n is nothing but gamma of m into gamma of n upon gamma of m plus n. So this is the relationship between beta and gamma functions. We have some properties of beta function. First property is beta of m comma n is equivalent to beta of n comma m. So we can swap inside variables. Second is this property. Then third we have gamma of n into gamma of n plus half. So this is nothing but root of pi gamma of 2n upon 2 raised to 2n minus 1. This is nothing but duplication formula. So just for a time being, remember this formula. We will come to this formula very shortly. Then the fourth property is gamma of n plus half. Gamma of n plus half is nothing but root pi 2n factorial upon 4 raised to n upon n factorial. Or this is valid only if n is a positive integer. So this formula is derived from this formula, just a modification of some terms. So you have to remember these basic results for now. How we got this result we will see in our next video. There is one more property, like integration of 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 plus x raised to n minus 1 upon 1 plus x the whole raised to m plus n. When we have this type of integration and this terms, then this is also equal to beta of m comma n. This will be more clear when we see the problem on this type. So the problem on this type of beta functions we will see in our next video. So stay tuned for our future lectures.